You've been thinking about it for a while. A fresh start. A new life. Something different. But where do you even begin? We get it. Moving abroad is exciting, but it's also overwhelming. What if you didn't have to figure it all out alone? That's why we created the Residency Guide. A simple, step-by-step roadmap to help you move with confidence. With visa options explained, legal requirements made easy, and the best destinations for your lifestyle. Thousands of people have already made the leap to adventure, to discovery, to a life of wonders, a life on their own terms, a life in paradise. And you can too. The first step, download your free guide today. Because your dream life starts with one decision. And our residency guide is one step towards it. Take the plunge